How do I know if I have a refrigerant leak? The clearest signs are your air conditioner blowing warm air instead of cold, ice forming on the refrigerant lines or the indoor coil, a hissing or bubbling sound coming from the unit, and energy bills that suddenly climb higher than usual. Think of refrigerant like the blood running through your air conditioner. It flows through copper lines, soaking up heat from inside your house and dumping that heat outside, which is how your home gets cool. When there is a leak, the system slowly loses that fluid, so it has less power to pull heat out of the air, and your house stays warm even though the unit keeps running non-stop. Here is something most people do not know. Refrigerant does not get used up like gasoline in the car, so low levels almost always mean there is an actual leak somewhere in the lines, not normal wear and tear. A trained technician can find the leak using a special dye that glows under a black light, or an electronic sensor that sniffs out the gas. If you catch it early, you might only need a small repair, but if you ignore it, moisture and air can get into the system and cause the compressor, which is the most expensive part, to fail completely. One common mistake homeowners make is simply adding more refrigerant without fixing the actual leak, which is like pouring water into a leaky bucket. It will just drain right back out and cost you more money over time. Another big misconception is thinking refrigerant leaks are dangerous like a gas leak in your stove, but most modern refrigerants are not flammable, though they can still harm the environment and your system if ignored. A third thing to watch for is frost or ice building up on the lines. Many people assume that means the system is working extra hard to cool, when really it is a warning sign that the system needs to be shut off before it causes more damage. The best tip is to schedule a yearly checkup so a professional can catch small leaks before they turn into big, expensive problems. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app JobIt tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.